What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you guys can see by the title, this video is how to clean your girlfriend's sneakers. I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to this topic. I'm sure you guys have given your girlfriend or a significant other a pair of fresh sneakers, and 1 week later they come back and it looks like they played 3 games of street basketball. They just don't take care of their sneakers the same way we do. So this video, I will teach you guys how to properly clean their sneakers. All right, so for this video I'll be cleaning 2 sneakers, the first one being the Fila Disruptors, just because I feel like this is the most popular sneaker for the ladies in 2018, and also the Adidas Gazelle, just to throw a suede sneaker on there because a lot of people ask me how to clean suede sneakers, so hopefully this will help you guys out. All right, so with all that being said, let's go ahead and check out all the tools that you need to clean your girlfriend's sneakers. Once again, huge shout out to Clyde for always providing me the best products for sneaker cleaning. So the first thing that you will need is, of course, the premium Clyde shoe cleaner and conditioner. Next up are your 2 brushes. The white one is going to be your regular brush. I like to save this brush for the midsole and harder parts of the sneaker. And then your second brush is going to be your soft bristled premium brush. This is for the upper and more of the delicate parts of the sneaker. The only towel that you should be using for cleaning sneakers should always be a microfiber towel. After some time and wear, your shoes can build up odor and bacteria inside. So if that does happen, you guys can always look for the Clyde odor and mildew activated charcoal. These are inserts that you can put in your sneakers while you're storing them. But if you cannot find this product in store, you guys can always look for the Clyde Natural Odor Eliminator. This is a spray that you can spray in your sneakers. And after cleaning every sneaker, I highly recommend you guys to use a water and stain repellent just to protect the sneaker after cleaning. This is Clyde's version of it. Something cool about this is you don't have to keep reapplying it onto your sneakers to protect it, because this can last up to 6 months, all right? And also the Clyde high quality soft cover shoe bag. This is perfect for drying sneakers or storing them. I'll be using this a little bit later to show you guys. And lastly, a soft bristle toothbrush. This is actually my little brother OJ's toothbrush. He has no idea I use it for cleaning sneakers, but I like to use a soft bristle toothbrush for cleaning suede, and I'll explain more of that a little bit later. So let's check out the Fila Disruptors first. Look at all that gunk and dirt and soy sauce, patis, mushroom soup. Oh my days, I have no idea what is on this shoe, but I darkened it a little bit so you guys can see every little thing on here. So we'll be cleaning all of that. This one's gonna be messy. All right, so here are the Fila Disruptors. Let's go ahead and check out the Gazelle. And here are the Gazelles. As you can see, there's a little discoloration on the toe box. It got a little bit lighter because of the sun. So what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to condition it so that it goes back to its natural color. Also, you have a lot of dirt built up in the suede, so we're gonna try our best to get rid of that, all right? Here's a look at the back. So we're gonna try to get rid of all that stuff. So let's go ahead and begin. I'll be using the white bristled brush for the midsole first. So let's go ahead and do that.
Time, bless marks, 30-minute naps for us to get by, get high, place it up, we got them red eyes. If I could pay my bills, I'm good for now, let's get live. Take time to listen and envision with a set mind, let's rob a piece.
All right, now I think we are done with the midsole area, so let's go ahead and begin with the upper. So let's go ahead and use the brown brush because we don't want to scratch the leather too much. So let's go ahead and get in there.
Riding, I've been drinking, I've been grinding, I've been eating, I've been riding, I've been reading, I've been, yo, I be higher than the ceiling when I've been riding, I've been drinking, I've been grinding, I've been eating, I've been.
So here is a look at the Clyde shoe bag. This can fit one whole entire sneaker. How cool is that branding right there? So what you wanna do is you wanna put it inside of the shoe bag and allow it to dry. So once it's inside the shoe bag, you don't want to keep it in there too long because you still need the shoe to breathe. So my recommendation is anywhere from 30 to 1 hour. Put it in here and then you can take it out. Next up is the Gazelles. So let's go ahead and take off the laces first. All right, now that the laces are now off, let's go ahead and open up the sneaker and let's go ahead and work with the midsole. Again, for the midsole, we'll be using the white bristled brush. So let's go ahead and begin.
Riding, I've been reading, I've been. Yo, I be higher than the ceiling when I be rolling, I be choking, I be smoking on that good. Got that 1, 2.
All right, guys, now that we are done with the midsole, before cleaning any kind of suede, what you want to do is you want to prepare the suede before you clean it, all right? So what you guys want to do is you want to get the premium brush cleaner, and what you want to do is you just want to swipe slowly, not too rough, and try to get rid of any excess dirt built up on the upper. Now that we've prepared the upper for cleaning, this is when the soft bristled toothbrush comes into play. What I like to do is I like to use small toothbrushes because toothbrushes don't carry as much water as the bigger brushes do, because too much water is not good for the suede. It'll make it stiff, it'll kind of kill it a little bit. So what you want to do is you just want to massage the suede. You don't want to ruin the suede, so you just want to massage it, and you can achieve that by using a soft bristled brush. Again, not too much water. You want the solution to do all the work. What I like to do is I like to portion them out by different panels. For example, this panel right here, let's go ahead and begin with that. And when cleaning suede, something very vital is the circular motion. All right, guys, circular motion. Not too rough, not too hard, just right. That is correct. All right, circular motion. Circular motion. You're probably not gonna get a lot of foaming on this. That's okay. But you just want to keep that circular motion. You just want to massage the toothbrush onto the suede. And also, after a little bit of that, what you want to do is you just want to dab, all right? Dab with the microfiber towel, dry it out a bit, see if you missed anything. All right, and I think we're good on there. So we're gonna move on to our next panel. So we have the toe box, this area right over here. So let's go ahead and begin with that. If you guys see dirt or gunk in a specific place, for example, this part of the toe box, just keep doing that circular motion around there. Not too rough. All right. Before applying any more, make sure dab, dab, dab. You don't want to swipe because you don't want to ruin the suede. So you just dab and you can work on it again. So you guys get the gist of it. You want to do it by panels. You don't want to rush when cleaning suede, because if you rush, you tend to destroy the material. So be extra careful with that, guys, and just take your time. All right, guys, we are done cleaning the sneakers. So let's go ahead and show you guys what they look like before we clean them, and of course, our finished product. So with all that being said, let's go.
Jab straight, hit him with the hook. Got that loud, got that poem, got that fire for the hood. Got that bag of groceries and got that hunger, gotta cook. Got the ghetto gospel in my pocket, always in my wallet, man. Right beside the picture of my family with Uncle Sam. Got no time to play around, my seconds count, I'm making plans. Got a chance, don't let it pass. Got your feet, then let it dance. Face the feet or take a stand. Face the beat, then let it bang. Take a leap of faith and just believe it, then you reach your man. Reach your hand, yeah, you gotta reach out to who's reaching there and be the bigger man. Yeah, when you dive in, either sink or swim. You either sink or swim. You either sink or swim. You either sink or swim. Be the bigger man. Yeah, when you dive in, either sink or swim. I've been riding, I've been drinking, I've been grinding, I've been eating, I've been riding, I've been reading, I've been. Yo, I be higher than the ceiling when I've been riding, I've been drinking, I've been grinding, I've been tracks on tracks on tracks, facts and facts and facts, back to back on my bros. Feeling that trap and rap when I flow, killing it back to back at our shows, keeping it lit so we drive slow. You can think ahead by eyes on the road, this shit gon' get.
And there you guys have it. That pretty much does it for this video. Huge shout out to all the girlfriends out there who do beat up their sneakers. Go ahead and send this to your significant others to help them clean your sneakers. Before I go, I want to give a huge shout out to Clyde Sneaker Cleaner for all of their amazing products. Also, huge shout out to Shoephoric for always providing me with the freshest gear. Huge shout out to my girlfriend as well, Eris, for beating up her sneakers so I can create this tutorial video for you guys. And I hope you guys learned something new after watching this video. If you guys want to keep chopping it up with me, you guys can always catch me on all my social medias, all under Ralph McFlyGuy. With all that being said, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace.
That's why I'm giving you my side.